Okay, so we're going to see who's got the best, cheapest and best buffet breakfast in Bali. At the moment we're on Sunset Road. This is the RAMADA Hotel. It's very close, about 150 metres from Imam Bonjol on Sunset. Okay, let's go in and check out the buffet breakfast. 50,000, apparently $5, so pretty cheap. And we'll see what it's like. Now we're not sure where it is on the front. Yuli said it could be around the pool and it's up on the rooftop or something. So we'll go in, we'll ask the staff and see what's going on. 50,000 for buffet breakfast. Let's pay out the foyer first. And then, I don't know where it is, upstairs I think. Alright, so this is the hotel. Yeah, there's a lot of rooms, a big pool in the centre. Alright, so it's on level P, the rooftop, Sunset Rooftop Bistro, Spa, Fitness and the rooftop pool. Alright. Wow, it's really bright. Wow, what an unusual pool. So this is the swimming pool. There's sort of all little gardens all up each side. I suppose there's another pool over here, is it? You've got two pools, eh? And another pool here. Alright. So there's two pools on the rooftop. And looks like this is the buffet breakfast over here. Now, I didn't realise it was so big, this place. Alright, so I don't know what it's like. This is the breakfast here, I suppose. It's cakes, pancakes, right? Pancakes, omelettes, noodles, more cakes, fruit salad. What's in here? Potato curry. Potato curry, vegetable sabzi, whatever that is. I like dosas, Indian food, and rice and noodles, eh? Okay, so there's more over here. So we've got steamed rice, Balinese fried rice. I'll get some fried rice, I think. Black pepper fried noodles, butter chicken, alright. Chicken sausages, potato wedges, and char pok choy, whatever that is. Okay, so you can get as much as you want. So I just started off with a little omelette, some fried rice, some like onions and capsicum, some sausages, and a few potato wedges, and a tea, and a little bun. Eh? And Yuli's got basically the same chicken, rice, like little naan breads, a little Indian food sort of things. Alright, try this out. Alright, first up, there's no bacon, nothing like that, but looks like there's a fair bit of Indian food. The omelettes are good. Only small omelettes, like a 1 egg omelette. Capsicum, which I love. Seems pretty busy up here. There's about 50 or 60 people up here. Now you don't have to stay here to be able to come up for the breakfast. It's $50,000, $5, so there's no tax or anything on top of that, so it's pretty cheap. Chicken sausages, not too bad actually. Little bread rolls are good. Real butter too, good. So the name for butter is Matega. Okay, nice bread rolls, they're fresh. What do you think? It's alright so far?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got bubur, and it's just like a rice porridge. Instead of oats for porridge, they use rice. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of egg, and a bit of the chicken broth. So we'll try out that. Not too bad. If you haven't tried bubur, yeah, it's worth trying. There's normally little motorbikes sitting around on the road selling bubur everywhere. So you'll only find it of a morning mainly. A lot of Warong's restaurants these days might have it too. So what did you get?
Indomie goreng.
Indomie goreng. So you've got a mee goreng as well with an egg, which is just the packet stuff, Indomie. Alright, so I've got the RAMADA up here on Traveloka. So you can get a room for 400,000, less than 40 bucks. 550,000 for the deluxe queen. So there's different rooms, 600,000 for a twin with 2 beds. So it's fairly cheap. So it sort of looks like you can come and buy their breakfast and then swim in the pool, because the pool's full of Balinese, you know. They're all there with their kids and all the kids are in the pool, so there's no Westerners in here at all. They're all just locals, so I doubt if all these people are staying in here. They're just coming in for breakfast, swim in the pool with the kids. So anyway, 50,000 breakfast, good value. Finish off with a bit of fruit salad, a bit of watermelon, samanka, and papaya. Alright, so I suppose it's worth a look for $5, not too bad. You can eat as much as you want. Can't go wrong. The RAMADA on Sunset Road. Okay, so number 2 on the buffet breakfast, we are back at the WALON Centre. You might have seen it where I had a steak there in breakfast, lunch and dinner in the Western area video. I'm going to try out the buffet breakfast. It's 75,000 and see what it's like. Alright, morning. Buffet breakfast?
Yeah. You want to look first?
Langsung aja apa bayar dulu? Bayar aja.
2 orang?
Iya.
1.5.
Alright, so we've got omelette station, toast, got cakes and stuff like that, salad, fruit salad. Alright, so what have we got along here? Fried rice, fried noodles. Tomato bruschetta, oh that looks alright. Potato wedges, and having up grilled tomatoes, sausages, eggs on toast, poached eggs, pancakes, and bacon. Yes, got bacon, really good. Alright, so you got cornflakes, stuff like that. You've got a proper coffee machine, tea, coffee and juices. Alright, so it looks pretty good. They got bacon, so I'm going to hook into the bacon and eggs. So I ordered an omelette and he makes an omelette for you. You've got a choice of what you want in it. Mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, stuff like that. Okay, so this is what I got. Black coffee, they've got a machine. I got an omelette. I got like a poached egg on a muffin, a bruschetta with cheese and tomato, onions, wedges, some pig bacon and sausages. Try this out. Alright. Some pig bacon, so good. So long since I've had real bacon, normally got beef bacon everywhere. So, chicken sausages. Not bad at all. Now I got the omelette with, it's got everything, mushrooms, tomato, onion, everything in it. Not too bad at all. Wedges. Sort of tastes garlic and onion on the wedges. Not too bad. Poached egg on a muffin. It'll be interesting. Not too bad. You can tell they poached it with a bit of vinegar or something. Tastes good. Last but not least, the bruschetta. Cheese, tomato, onions. Not too bad. Okay. And the hook in. Okay, so that was pretty good. You can go back and eat as much as you want. 75,000, about $7 I suppose. WALON Centre, it's on Jalan Benasari. I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description. Come and check it out. This is so far out of the buffet breakfast. This is the better one, I think, the better choice. Okay, so what did you think of your breakfast, darling? Yum yum. So do you think it was worth the money? Pretty good selection, yeah? Yeah? Okay.
Very good. Good cup.
Yeah, coffee's really good. Big cups, proper coffee too. So right, so this is Hotel 2, the Grand WALON Hotel. If you check it out, there's street rooms from, you know, 440, about $40 a night. Different types of rooms, $50 a night, $60 a night. So it's fairly cheap. It's in a good position. Jalan Benasari. Check out the buffet breakfast, really good. And there's really good steaks here too. Okay. Well, if you like this type of video, like, you know, reviewing different types of like buffets and foods and that, leave it in the comments. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video.